Hi everyone, I'm going to go over how to remove and replace the front emblem on the BMW Z4. All you will need to do this job is a 10mm socket. Next, let's examine the parts that you will be removing. All that is holding the emblem on is this self-threading nut that you will be screwing and unscrewing on the two prongs in the back of the emblem. And to access the prongs, you will need to remove one of the grilles by firmly pulling up from the bottom, then out. Now that you have access to the back, just take that 10mm socket and start unscrewing. If you have any trouble gripping the nut, your socket may not be deep enough for the prongs. Once you finish both sides, just take out the old emblem, maybe clean up a bit, and put your new one in, and do everything in reverse. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.